The Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge is an annual competition organized by Porsche Cars North America. The challenge invites Porsche centers across the United States to restore a Porsche vehicle. The goal is to highlight the craftsmanship, the dedication, and the expertise of Porsche technicians, all while celebrating the timeless appeal of Porsche classics.
This year we have our 2006 Cayman S.
The Cayman was introduced to bridge between the Boxster and the 911, a sports car that's going to kind of satisfy the driving experience that Porsches present.
My name's Katie Muller, Porsche San Francisco. This is the Porsche Classic Restoration of 2024.
We've encountered one broken stud, but that's pretty good for what we have.
Base half has a massive crack in it from where the rod let go. This is textbook rod-in failure.
We placed an order for a new short block along with all the required parts we need to rebuild this engine, mating our transmission to the engine, and tomorrow we're going to be installing it into the chassis and proceed from there. Some key points of excitement for this restoration challenge and us really focusing, we're installing a new short block, 4 corners, new brakes and rotors, wheel restoration, new tires, PCCM, new headliner, and full paint restoration.
Is this even the same car? It doesn't even look like the same car. It's amazing. She looks great. How does she sound?
She sounds great. Let's start her up. It has been such an honor to work on this Cayman. We've reached the finish line. We're going to go get that checkered. We'll see you soon.